Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Forex factory calendar and immediately set the time zone to match your trading hours. This prevents mistimed reactions. Once done, filter markets to the sessions you trade so events align with liquidity. Make sure to enable only high and medium impact events to focus on likely market movers. This reduces clutter. Finally, create a simple account or sign in so you can save your filters and set alerts. Doing this now saves. You now dig into each event. Click it to read actual, forecast, and previous numbers, and note whether the surprise is likely big enough to move price. Once you have the figures, compare them with the recent trend and market positioning, because a large surprise in an overbought market behaves differently than in a neutral one. Make sure to check which currency pairs historically react strongest and review the last few releases for average volatility. This step shapes your reaction plan. You finish by converting your analysis into action. Set rules, either trade the immediate reaction or place pending orders outside expected spikes, and always use a stop loss sized for news volatility. Once orders are placed, monitor correlation pairs and be ready to reduce size if price whipsaw. That protects your account from sudden reversals. If the Forex factory calendar doesn't update or shows wrong times, refresh the page, clear cache, or try another browser, and then re-verify your time zone setting before trading live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.